What up, man? We're back, and we're gonna take the tranny out of this piece of shit plastic R35. It's a fucking plastic 1,000 horsepower car, and I'm gonna.
You guys heard him. We're dropping the transmission. I guess his transmission went out on the car, but you know, at the same time, it's pushing 1,000.
You ever blown a tranny before? Well, I'm not working on shit.
Can you hold this up while I grab
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Look at Trey being the handyman.
Fast, it's fucking heavy! Fast, hurry!
Up next, we're dropping the exhaust right here.
Come on.
Yeah, the V-band does not want to come off. He's about to get his hands dirty.
I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but now I'm gonna take out the transmission fluid. Oh my God, he did it!
Let me focus.
He needs to focus.
We're in the library. Look at us live streaming.
He's so locked in, dude. Guys, he's so locked in. He's so locked in.
I like to put the nuts back on the camera. I mean, the spot where I found it.
Just trying to keep track of everything. We got Trey the mechanic here.
Come on now.
I'm always confident when I got him in the shop.
Stop playing.
He knows what to do.
Like the plastic crap right here is being held on by the lift.
Oh shit, I see what you're saying. Putting the bolts back to where he found them. We got the plastic pieces off. Just brought in the transmission jack. Getting ready to pull the subframe off. We take off the brakes, drop the subframe, and then take the transmission out. Shouldn't take too long. All right, we got the brake calipers taken off. I want to give you guys a quick reminder, this isn't a step-by-step tutorial video on how to drop the transmission. This is just me simply documenting what needs to be done. And then I'm just checking back in with you guys after everything has been taken care of. Yeah, we're just moving on to the next big step now. Just an update here. I went ahead and disconnected all these bolts and got the axles disconnected on both sides. So we're dropping the torque tube. Yeah, Trey passed out, he gave up. So we got the coolant lines disconnected and the diff fluid lines disconnected, as you can tell. Next step now is just unscrewing some bolts and then we're gonna drop the transmission.
I'm awake now.
Okay. Oh fuck, it just went right back in.
Yeah, I can go back a little bit. Look, let me get down just a little bit more. Yeah, this thing's sketch, bro.
Got this disconnected. You move it, it's pretty loose.
Already?
Yeah.
Officially got the subframe and transmission dropped. Took it out, everything is disconnected. We went ahead and lowered the car on the lift. So, you know, if it were to tip over, it'll kind of shift side to side and the car would catch it. But obviously we're hoping that that doesn't happen. But yeah, we're good. Car is officially not complete, but transmission is officially dropped with the subframe, as you can see. That is the end of that video. We'll update you guys more. This is a 1,000 horsepower GTR build. He needs to get the transfer case rebuilt, and then we'll have her back on the road, and I will show you guys more content in the future.